This is Erica Gail G. Elcano from COM22. The report was from Philippine Daily Inquirer last July 2013. It's all about competitions for all ages and summer swim classes. Outstanding and special swimmers received awards during two major swimming competitions that closed the Bert Lozada Swim School or BLSS Summer Swim 2013. Ivan Lucarino of DA's Seahawks won the Most Outstanding Swimmer Award in the First Plunge Novice Swim Meet Special Event, while Lance Lim and Sari Domingo, also of DA Seahawks, were Most Outstanding Swimmers in the Take Your Mark Novice Swim Meet Special Event. Tricia Michelle Nuguid won Most Outstanding Swimmer in the 26 to 30 years old female division of the Take Your Mark Novice Swim Meet Special Event, and she is a member of St. Joseph Swim Club, who is a cancer survivor. She participated in several events such as the 100 SC meter medley, stair-step relay, and 100 SC meter medley open relay. David Morada of DA Seahawks and Pauline Del Rosario of Ace Water Spa received special awards for being the youngest swimmers in the competition. Special recognition was also given to Jose Onquico of Trace College and Helen Go of Ace Water Spa as the most senior participants in the adult category. 6 students from the BLSS Special Education Program participated in the competitions. Anthony Lozada, BLSS President and Chief Executive Officer, said it was the school's mission to give students confidence in the water through guided teaching and mentoring via the Swim at Any Age program. He said it was also important for both children and adults to experience being in a competition without the intimidating nature of big competitive swim meters. For more information on the First Plunge Novice Swim Meet and the Take Your Mark Novice Swim Meet, visit the BLSS Facebook page or Swim Philippines website www.swim.ph. Thank you.